Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Kei ngā wehi o te rangi, kei ngā ihi o te whenua. Tēnā rā tātou katoa.
Nation of their work, jump ball goes up. And Christ through Tama Isaac will begin with it. Man-to-man defense, but drop coverage there from Napier, Kayla.
Yep, good read there. They'll be covering those screens. You know, trying to not make it easy for those strong guards of Christ College.
Tama Isaac puts up the first shot, no good. Offensive tūrapa. And perfect start there.
Yeah, that is a good shot from him. The window was there. If I'm Kate, I've probably got to do a better job at climbing over as we see that get nailed.
Points on both their positions so far. Looking for a post up. Jackson Bull likes to operate out of this right-hand side. Spins. Kuruwhiwhi toru from Smiler is good.
Kua whai toru piro a Smiler.
Lord Hawani, although they're going to look to give it back to Tama. Not a bad shout.
Out of the high post, spin cycle.
Oh, ka rawe, tēnā angi tū te kuru.
Finish off the tapa, has the athleticism to just elevate and touch it off the front of the tapa and exposes Harry Keeley as well. Harry Keeley is going to have to do serious work to stay in this game. Fouled out yesterday, so Hawani going to keep attacking him.
Get alive from Napier out on the break. Jackson Ball spins once again.
Oh, ka mau te wehi a ball.
3-2 zone once again. Looking to attack out of the corner. Christ, and the easy bucket, Maya.
That's what you're going to see a lot of, is those empty corners when they are playing a 3-2 zone. A good shout from Napier given the success of that kind of defensive coverage from Wellington College yesterday. But if they're going to continue to give those corners, the other pieces are going to continue to capitalise on that.
Maka ki te kuru.
Rip and go, baseline to the corner. Kuruwhiwhi toru wide open.
As you said earlier, Maya, it's a good read from them going to the corner, going to the short corner.
Mother Kristen there. Easy basket.
Is extreme.
Here come Christ. Both teams playing at breakneck speed to the hoop and one.
Tētahi atua no reira ka haere ia ki te pai kuri tautaku.
Kayla, would you like to see more ball movement on that position?
Yeah, ideally, you know, it's good to get the ball through 3 to 4 sets of hands as he nails that. Kei te Kimiro Taki.
Smiler off the on-ball, spins, rises.
Oh, yeah, pai te kuru.
Welcome bucket here for Napier Boys. Back to 5 points, just over halfway gone, quarter number 1. Rip and go from Christ to the hoop. Isaac Allen off the tupper. And again, here comes Christ to the hoop.
Hawani is so efficient going downhill.
It seems like he's doing a good job of getting 2 feet in the paint as Jackson Ball with the floater and good.
Pai te whārauta. Yeah, they look good when they have 2 feet in the paint and then they make the extra kick out if they need to. 2-3 now, should I say. Made that adjustment. Oh, karawe.
It's once again through Isaac. Against Taylor and spins and blocked.
Oh, yeah. Good block.
So he's not just fast, he can jump as well and pass.
My goodness. I think he is the fastest player in the tournament, Andrew.
Yeah. Looking to join Christ in the 20s. Smiler to the hoop. Puts it back up and in.
Karawe te kukinga hoki a Smiler.
And away comes Tama. Here for Christ, not picked up early enough to the hoop and easy basket.
Karawe.
Him helping out Westlake boys this year. Isaac, Maya.
Karawe.
And that's a great offense that creates the driving lane for Tama Isaac. And if his driving lane's not on, that kick out Kuruwhiwhi toru is an and one.
Tough.
Harry Keeley.
Isaac asking for an on-ball screen. Lovely little action there for the Kuruwhiwhi toru.
Karawe.
Order down 11 points. Stagger screen for Jackson Ball, don't use it. Smiler steps back, steps through. Taylor, Kuruwhiwhi toru.
Karawe ka taka te tefa te but
Helen's action here. Into a little stagger screen to free up.
oh my goodness, ka nui te taupare.
And watch
two massive taupares, just allowing easy buckets. And that's what you want to see in a final like this, that amount of competitiveness.
Oh, Karawe.
Maya, they had an 11-point lead. It's back to 4. What do they need to do to get some easy baskets as Kate does just that?
Probably just that. That go screen wide open on the Paikuru Fishvi. He's going to eat that up, and he's going to continue to take those open shots if they're given to him.
Taylor once again out of the corner.
Mighty corner.
Again, a little low on-ball screen. Kate out of the corner. Kuruwhiwhi Toru, great response.
Karawe.
Kuruwhiwhi Toru. And Maya, sometimes when the net's up like that, you just lose your little visuals, but Ihaka fights for it and puts it back up and in. Once again into low post, there's the double on the ball, up and over. Tough finish. Sometimes ball doesn't lie. On ball screen again. Going at Harry Keeley. And with the big fella on to Hutters.
You never want a ball handler getting to the middle of the key because good things happen for offence in that situation.
To the corner, Kuruwhiwhi Toru.
Maite corner, Karawe.
To a double-digit deficit.
Rimahia kone toiana. Kamau te wehi.
From Napier. Tama Isaac up the top off the on-ball. Tips through to the hoop. Jackson Ball looking to shake and bake. They're in foul trouble, Chrysler. He can be aggressive to the hoop, tries to get the call.
He just takes advantage of those situations where he's a smaller defender. Takes it to the rim. Oh, speaking of taking it to the rim.
At the moment, they're trying to play that fluid, nice offense that they always play. They might have to grind out a few dirty buckets that don't look as pretty.
Probably the confidence he needed, forcing.
Executed press break from Napier Boys. Keeley spins. Shooters roll, Kayla. Through it. Kate out of the corner. Good look. And that loss of height pays for Napier Boys. Lahara, not called.
Great look though for Tama Isaac, right? He's going to continue to go downhill. Just needs to get a little bit higher off Pakamuri, but
you've been hanging out with your bro too long.
Matua Tuhoi bringing all the mana levels into the commentary booth.
That downhill momentum as opposed to just posting up, getting that downhill penetration to his left hand.
Smiler spins. Kate on the right hand side up against Allen. Back to a man-to-man, Napier Boys. Nice little cross screen to get Kate to the hoop.
I think you said it, Andrew. It's going to be a seesaw, I think.
Well, I wish Miles Pearce was in the commentary booth right now because I'm sure he's having PTSD from 2016 the way this one's going. At some point we'll take a dive and it's got to be in double digits.
I think Christ needs to take a little bit more pride in their one-on-one defence and also a leaf out of Napier's book as we see that seesaw affair continue.
Couple too many natural confectionaries at halftime. Starting to take effect. And that's what happens when you don't complete your closeout.
So good for Christ to see one finally go through the bottom of the net. That could really spark something for them.
Oh my gosh, guys, he shot that from Nga Tai Tama
Tāne. No one boxed out Maz Taylor, a lot of contact. Again, Jackson Ball doesn't hesitate, he check.
Oh my gosh!
Kayla, I don't know how many games you've played in where people have been face guarded, but for the other four players, do they feel like they've got more space now?
Speaking of space, I think he just patted his head with that one. He was
5 seconds on the clock. Looking to kick it ahead to the hoop.
Oh, massive reiku to Maiti Papa Moody.
On one, defense all shading towards him, no.
Oh, beautiful find. Just loses his footing.
Kuruwhiwhi Toru again.
Oh my goodness gracious. Owe Tokuria, Jackson Ball, remember the name.
From his last 3, 28 in the game.
Ice in his veins, Andrew.
Kuruwhiwhi Toru on the other end.
Oh my gosh, they respond.
That is a
inside. Oh, what a dish. And another one to the hoop. Lots of contact. With the ball. Maybe just to work things around. There's the on ball for Tama Isaac. Steps back into a Kuriwhiwhi Toru. You can't go under Maya.
He is so effective and such a good decision-making guard.
He does a lot of those small 1%ers that don't always get noticed on a stat sheet.
Jackson ball to the hoop.
Mai te papa muri te pukinga hoki a Jackson ball.
Maya, they made the adjustment. You talk about went to man and then try to deny the handoff, but Jackson ball just too good there.
It's so hard. Like Kayla alluded to do it before. If you go under, gonna shoot from beyond the arc.
Wait, come Christ up one. They'd love to be able to extend it here. Tama Isaac to the corner. Kuriwhiwhi Toru.
Oh, that's his third from the corner.
Down for Jackson ball to get him. The rock and go inside to Keeley with the left hand.
Oh, where?
Wani trying to shift Tama Isaac. Kuriwhiwhi Toru over Taylor.
Oh, gosh, he flew on that rebound.
That is his 9th tūrapa. Hawani once again. Second chance points have been in.
Cannot afford to foul, and either you get the pakete or Harry Keeley fouls out.
Maz too
Oh
quick.
my gosh. Tākaro Tama, that was a...
Jackson ball leads all scorers with 31 going, and Keeley to the hoop. He can't contest. Down one, Jackson ball. Likely the last position here for Napier Boys. And scores!
Goodness, Jackson ball. Roa te kaumawha he kona e toi ana.
Back to Tama Isaac to the hoop, to the corner. Kuriwhiwhi Toru.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. He's hit 4.
Off and on ball, there's a switch from Kate.
He had to get to the rim, and that's what he's done. That's what he'll always do. Jackson ball coming in clutch, gosh. My goodness.
Certainly is. Kalu, have another look. Perfect wall up.
Oh my gosh!
And one, Tama Isaac.
Goodness. Tama Isaac. Owe tokuri.
No good from Maz Taylor, and your 2024 Boys AA champions are Christ College.
Ka mau te wehi.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. Yes, I'm down with this. Whakarongo and you know.